This post is in sponsorship with Elkay. The day has come. After waiting 4 months for the city to approve of our plans, I cannot tell you enough how excited and grateful I am that this day is finally here. In this episode, I'll take you with me to the day of our groundbreaking and the actual first dig of our dirt, and then a reveal of what our laundry room will look like. So let's go. It's like a 360 of our land. It's finally happening. I'm so excited. But look at what Jay did. He marked all these sticks. I assume there's a reason why. We get to keep these trees. I'm so happy about it. Look where the bees made home. In there. How do you feel about us breaking ground today?
But Mama, this thing is, when I wake up in our new house, I'm gonna be like this. Wait, what?
Achilles, very important question. How do you feel about us breaking ground today? Oh, is that so? Is that how you feel? The excavation guys are here. Let's get ready to roll. It's okay. Yeah, it's like his finger. Can you keep a secret? I'm about to show you our laundry room inspiration, but my husband has no idea I'm making it. He does not like the laundry room. I showed him the inspiration that I'm about to show you, and he's like, ugh. But I'm so excited to show you this laundry room. I saw it, I think, on Pinterest. Instantly, it was like, oh. So I'm sure you just want me to stop talking and show you. So here it is. Let me know if this photo speaks to you as much as it did to me, but I love it. This is actually a kitchen renovation for a beach house by a talented designer named Will Taylor. I knew I wanted my kitchen cabinets to be a light color, but I love this design so much, I had to think of a place to incorporate it into my home. I love the idea of having a big farmhouse style sink in the laundry room for putting all the dirty clothes in there to wash or to dye my clothes for my refashion revisions. I found a beautiful farmhouse sink from Elkay that will go perfectly for it, and it just arrived, so I'll show you the sink in just a little bit. Here are some photos using the same fire clay sink I purchased. I love that fire clay sinks are timeless, durable, easy to clean, scratch and stain resistant, which is really important for my refashion revisions. And my favorite part about this Elkay sink is that it can be installed in two ways. The first is a traditional flat front that you see right here, or in this photo with the decorative band feature at the top. Isn't that awesome? I can't decide if I want the flat front or with the band. I'm curious what you think though. Leave a comment below and let me know which design you like best. I'm so excited to be teaming up with Elkay. They sell really cute faucet and sinks and a lot more. I met the people at Elkay, sweetest people, and I'm so happy to be working with them. So here is the box. It's pretty big. Oh. So this is the fire clay undermount sink, and it's a farmhouse sink. I'm super excited. So let me show you. Okay. Look at that. Doesn't that look huge?
What is this?
Look, you can take a bath in there, right?
What is this?
This is the sink for our laundry room.
Laundry room?
Yeah.
Wow.
Isn't it nice?
Can we make you in it?
My daughter fits in it. Look at her. She's 9. See? It looks so big.
Is it like real brick?
It's
glass?
clay. Fire clay.
Fire clay? Wow. You're really lucky.
Anyway, I'm so excited for the sink to be in my laundry room. It's going to look beautiful. It's just so practical. I can put so much clothes in there or just wash in here or bathe my grandchildren in 20 years, I'm just planning ahead. Let me know in the comments what you think of our future laundry room, and things are rolling very quickly now that we broke ground, so make sure to subscribe to watch more of our home building series, Dream Home Come True.